Hello, this is Jason. Let's go over this week's trade review. This is take 3 already because CapCut's recording that didn't record my voice, so I have to do it on OBS. But let's go. The first trade was PLTR. It was a bad trade. Now looking at it, the trade was the stock was going up to 125. Could have taken a long here, but I took a short instead, thinking it would go lower. But because I have this bias in the earning, there's no way this stock is going to make a new high, so I took a short on that earning. Took a really small position, only made $200, but nothing to complain about. And then excuse me, on that same day I took an SQQQ. I think the market was bound to pull back a little, so I shorted, and this was my entry, this was my stop loss, this was my take profit. But I closed the trade early, which only netted me $150. If I let the trade run, could have been a $400 trade. There's one thing I need to work about: let the trade run. Either it hit my stop loss or it hit my take profit. There's a few trades I cut short early this week. If I let them run, I could have double or triple my profit. Something I need to work about. And because I cut the trade early, I took some small trades that day and there's some paper cut on my profit. But yeah, something I need to work on. Let the trades run. And then the next trade was on Dell. I was trying to short Dell because there's this level here, $96, thinking it would go lower. But after market, Trump tweeted out saying there's some good news coming, so the market reacted positively, and I closed it out early. And this trade was a negative $100. Let's see, the next trade was on Google. Google that day had a big flush down. Some news came out saying Apple would develop their own search engine and it made Google panic, which I think it didn't make a lot of sense. So I took a long here, $100 profit. There's a note here. This could have been another entry. This low take out the stop loss, so it went higher. This could have been an entry, and it broke 151.5. Could have entry and target the previous 5-minute high at 10:30. It's a note for a future. Another SPY. I had 2 sell options this week. I both closed out early, which was netted negative $200. If I let those trade run, it would have been a plus 400 trade combined. Because I closed it early, I lost. I got panic. I was impulsive on these highs. I should have just let them run. Either hit the take profit or stop loss. Let the trade run. And the next one is Tesla. I longed it on Tesla based on the daily chart. It was in this level of 294 and 270 on that day. Had a gap up and this big rally here, so I went long. However, the stock dropped at the end of the market and hit my stop loss. But I still have the same bias. It kind of consolidated after market, so I bought in again, and thankfully it worked out. Hindsight, I could have left some runners, take more profit, but it is what it is. It's a big win here, $350, $400. It's a big win. And this one more. I had a Costco trade based on the daily chart is making this level here, so I made a bet against the Costco won't go above 115. It worked out and it netted me, let's see, $180. Overall, not a bad week, but I have to work on letting my trades run. If I let those trades run, I could have double or triple my profit this week. But overall, it was a good week. Profit $500, which covered the loss of last week and made some. Big lesson is let the trades run. Don't be too impulsive. Don't get too attached to the market. Don't let every tick affect me. Just let the trade run. Let it do its work. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm trying to make a weekly trade recap, just to like journal my trades, see what I did right, what I did wrong. Hopefully this can last. I can improve as a trader. Yeah, thank you for watching.